What do you think?
I like him.
Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Not really?
Yes.
Tell me.
He likes me.
Hold on. Tell me. How excited?
This one.
Really excited?
Mm-hmm.
There's your boy. Yep.